For many people, the journey itself is exhausting. Heat, sweat, noise, crowded air that makes it hard to breathe. At UnyBus, we imagine something different. A cool, air-conditioned space, clean air, comfortable seating, a quiet environment designed to calm you, not drain you. Because when your body is comfortable, your mind becomes open. Open to thinking, open to learning, open to growing. UnyBus is not built for chaos. It's built for clarity. A journey where you arrive refreshed, ready for life.